Business reveals your edges. Your necessary expansion to build a full-time business will reveal your edges and soft spots. Be ready for it. Breathe through it. Allow it to shape and mold you into a better version of yourself. That's partially what your business is for, to make you better. Your limitations will be revealed, and it is important to have an agile and tenacious mindset about this and roll with the punches. You don't have to develop a thick skin or harden your heart, but you do need to be aware of the ego's self-destructive tendencies it wishes to thrust upon you when its discomfort level feels intolerable and makes you want to retreat. Stay committed to your vision for your business and do not allow any thinking or decisions to be made from fear. Instead, isolate it and address the fear through your breathing or with a coach. On the other hand, while building your full-time business, you may find that having your edges revealed to you brings you guidance that you may not want to pursue a full-time business. Maybe you get clarity that building a full-time business isn't for you, and you'd like to go back to doing it as a hobby or try something else entirely. That's okay. It's all just information gathering. Life is about allowing ourselves to have experiences and make choices. There are no wrong choices, but choices have natural consequences. Successes and failures do not define us as people. If we think they define us, we are trying to use them to establish our worth. As we will discuss, this is not a great reason to start a business. Serving others is a much better reason.